Castlemead. Ensuring you are covered. Electrical testing. What is the issue? The most common cause of fire in commercial premises is an electrical fault. What is electrical testing? Electrical tests need to be seen as an MOT for your buildings and equipment. Failure to keep on top of the documents increases the likelihood of a loss, and the chances an insurer will reject the claim payment. Electrical contractors can see this as a significant revenue generation project. If your certificate is expired, be prepared to undertake the remedial work alongside the certification. All Priority 1 and 2 recommendations need to be completed within 30 days of the inspection. We may be able to obtain a short extension following the assessment, depending on the scope of works required. What are the regulations? In 1989, the HSE introduced the Electricity at Work regulations. This was aimed at stopping electrocutions at work caused by defective wiring. The regulations recommend different inspection periods, depending on the occupation of your premises. Typically, this is 5 years for commercial and 3 years for an industrial building. What is the relevance to my insurance? Commercial insurance policies now automatically contain a warranty that premises are inspected in accordance with BS 7671/2008. The practical effect of this is that in the event of a fire or lightning claim, your insurer will request sight of the certificate prior to making a payment. This is very important. We have now had a client's claim rejected on this basis. What is the small print? It is a condition precedent to the insurer's liability that the electrical system at the premises is inspected and tested by a member of the National Inspection Council for Electrical Installation, and an inspection certificate is issued. Any work specified on such certificate is carried out within the timescales on the certificate. That the electrical installation should be further inspected and tested within the timescale recommended. Failure to comply with these requirements may result in a claim being declined or reduced. PAT testing. The insurers carry a similar warranty for PAT testing. A claim payment for fire from a portable device is dependent on being able to evidence an in-date PAT test. The report needs to take into account how much wear and tear the item suffers. For example, for a monitor in an office, a 3-year period is fine, while an extension cable in a builder's van, 3 months could be more appropriate. What do I need to do? Things to remember. Book a test. The person certifying the premises must be competent and accredited. Many suppliers offer a 20% survey, as this is allowed for in the regulations. This is only satisfactory if the whole installation is current and revisited within the prescribed period. The certification process is a requirement for both landlord and tenant. Any recertification should take place inside the period, not in addition. Store the certificate digitally or off-site. Castlemead can arrange a 30-day extension for you to have the inspection carried out. Castlemead, where small print matters.